Thanks for being here. Just wanted to have a look today at a pair of Bluetooth in-ear headphones. I just ordered it off of Amazon. It's the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro, endorsed by 10 Grammy Award-winning producers. Okay, so that's that's pretty legit, right? So it's got high-resolution audio. It's got 26-hour playtime. Now that, of course, includes the case, which acts as a charger. In-ear studio performance. So, like it says, 10 Grammy Award-winning producers recommend these. It comes with an app, a Soundcore app that you would download as well. Quad microphone calls. Okay, so if you're doing, teleconferencing or Zoom calls or whatever have you now these days, which a lot of people are. Apparently, these are very good for it as well. And the best part about these now is they're $40 off. Okay, so let's start unboxing this thing and having a look at it. So this is the box I got. Okay, this is the Liberty 2 Pro. It says upgraded version, Truly Wireless. Let's open this sucker up. I guess I should get something to open that. Guitar pick never fails. What do we got? We got a USB-C. A bunch of stuff here, instructions and all that kind of stuff. Here's the ear tips. Look at the amount of ear tips in here. That's crazy. Extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. What's that one? Large as well? Large plus? Wow, lots of options here. So let's have a look at the buds. Okay, here's the case. Oh, that's cool. Look how it just slips open like that. Futuristic, man. Okay, out of the box, it's got 2 out of 3 LEDs. Okay, here's the earbuds. They're super light. There you go. Looks pretty good. There's a button on there. You can see a microphone on the outside. Another one on the tip. It's got these ear things here. So there's already a set of I don't know what you call those things, flaps or something. I don't know. But there's already a set of those on these. So this is just your standard size guitar pick. Let's download the Soundcore app. Controls. Okay. So, controls. Single tap on left is play pause. Same with the right. Double tap previous or next. Let's go to HearID. Personalize. Select correct options. Okay, well, I'm greater than 40, so here we go. Okay, so that's my HearID. They feel good. They're definitely not moving around, that's for sure. I gotta say, the fit is really good, just right out of the box, and that's obviously just for my own ears, but feels pretty good. So I'm gonna take these for a spin, and then I'll come back, and I'll listen to these for a little bit, and then I'll tell you whether or not they're as good as everyone says they are. So stick around for that. I'll be back shortly. Okay, so I got to spend some time with these in-ear studio Liberty 2 Pros. And honestly, they sound fantastic. They're actually very comfortable as well. And I did change the gel tips that hold it on the inside of your ear. The battery life, fantastic. I tested the wireless charging out last night, and this thing's fully charged. These headphones, like I said, they do sound really good. I mean, I don't know how much better you could ask for out of a truly wireless earbud, because let's be honest, I mean, nothing beats a corded over-ear set of headphones. The nice thing about the Truly Wireless earbuds is that they're compact. That's what I like about this case, especially the compactness. It's really thin and rounded, and it feels good in the hand. My phone is thicker than this wireless case, like with the case and cards and everything in it. overall, I was really happy with it. I am really happy with it. I'll probably do some more playing around with the EQ settings and whatnot, but honestly, these things sound fantastic. They sealed really nicely in my ears. Right out of the box, they felt really good. But on top of that, you've got so many different gel tips in here for you to be able to try out, that there shouldn't be any reason why you wouldn't be able to find a good fit for these headphones. So, I mean, I'm going to put a link in the description below. If you guys want to pick up a set of these, I encourage you to do so. I mean, they're $100 cheaper than the AirPod Pros, like $100 cheaper to get something that sounds probably just as good. I can't say for sure. I don't have AirPods or AirPod Pros, but I can definitely tell you that I'm happy with the way that these sound. I don't feel like I need to get the AirPod Pros when I'm happy with the way these sound. And I can change the EQ settings and everything. Tons of battery life, wireless charging. I did test whether or not you would have just one earbud in. Let's say you were doing conference calling, or you just wanted to have one earbud in. Let's say you're listening to a podcast in mono or whatever, and it doesn't make a difference if it's stereo. I did test it out. Works no problem. So again, I'm really happy with it. If you wanted to pick some of these up, check out the link in the description below. And it is an Amazon affiliate link, so I would get a small percentage. But things like that is what helps me to be able to buy these things and do a review and let you know about it. So you'll be helping me out that way. So anyway, thank you for being here. Keep making music.